welcome to Happy Muncher. I hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing great. I just checked into my new apartment and I just want to share it with you guys. The apartment I was staying in was a little bit further from the city center and I decided to change apartments and I just checked into a new one, a very beautiful space, and I thought to share it with you guys because I don't want to waste the opportunity, you know. It's really beautiful. But anyway, let me quickly share it with you guys. So I literally just checked in now and this is my bedroom. This is a very huge bed. I think this is a king bed, and yeah, it's really spacious. And the wallpaper behind there, not sure about it, but it's so classy in a way. I don't know how to explain it. Anyway, I love the pictures on the wall, and I think I prefer this plain wallpaper. This is brown, and yeah, anyway, maybe they just wanted to give a little detail so that the room doesn't look too plain. But anyway, it's so beautiful, and a little chandelier over there. What I love about the apartment is that it's got high ceilings, so it's really spacious. And over here, oh, excuse my bag under there, I literally just checked in. Over here we have a TV and a stand, a little TV stand. Then there's a little couch over here, a mini coffee table, and there's a little decor here with antiques, I think. There's a very old let me see, I hope it doesn't break. Okay, it doesn't open, but there's, as you can see down here, I don't know if you can see that old telephone. Yeah, this is very old. And what I love most is the kitchen, guys. It is so beautiful. I love the lighting in here, but the kitchen itself is really beautiful, and yeah, very modern. So it's got a mini fridge. There's the microwave. I don't know if it works as an oven as well. Yeah, but it's really nice. It's cool. And there's a one burner hot plate stove. There's a toaster, my favorite. There's a kettle, which I've never seen before. This is like, it's glass, but I would say ceramic kind. It's a ceramic electric kettle, which is weird. But anyway, moving on, we have kitchen accessories like glasses, wine glasses or champagne glasses, and coffee mugs over there. And yeah, this is so beautiful. Look at the kitchen lighting, guys. And we have these stools, these beautiful stools, guys. I love these. And yeah, this is a mini, I think this is supposed to be like a mini bar table where you can put your wines, your whiskeys and stuff. I don't know what they call them. Let me know in the comment section below. And we have a little decor up here with a little kitty and some plants over there. And yeah, the wallpaper, very beautiful. The one for the kitchen, I absolutely love it. Yeah, this is it, guys. This is my kitchen. Let's go to the bathroom. The bed is so huge, guys. I can't get over how huge it is. And we have a mini closet here. I'm gonna put my stuff in there. And this is the bathroom. This is a very beautiful mirror here. Let's see. Okay. This is a very beautiful mirror, and a sink over here, a shower, and a toilet, of course, with a washer. So cool, guys. This is so beautiful. This is going to be my place, maybe until I leave Georgia, because I really love it. I really love it. I really love it. It's so beautiful. And you know, as a lady, you want to stay in a proper, beautiful and safe apartment, and it's really safe here, and it's really beautiful. It's very clean, and the lady is absolutely friendly, very welcoming, very warm person. So guys, I'm quickly going to see the area because the area seems like a really busy area. So I'm gonna take you along so that we explore the place a little bit more. See you in a bit, my loves. So guys, this is the area I'm staying in. It's very busy here and it's also very close to metro. So a lot of people who take metro and buses, they pass through here. But it's a beautiful area. I love it so much. Right in the city center. One of the things I like about Georgia is this underground passway. This is where pedestrians used to cross the road because it's not allowed to cross over on a highway. So it's an underground passage. And they always have these mini stores underground.
We all just trying to build a foundation. We all just trying to build a foundation. Yeah. Liquidity dry, I couldn't quit if I tried. It's been a ride through all the waves and the tides. Little emptiness inside from all them days with the guys. Try to mask it, but I know you see the pain in his eyes. All the lows and the highs, all the gray in the sky. Every reason I should throw away and swallow my pride. All my life been like a permanent grind, I just deserving my shine, and you can't even tell until.
So I came into Spa to buy a few things. And I'm buying a drink and I see this Coca-Cola, this green Coca-Cola, 0 sugar. I have no clue why it's green, but anyway, I'm buying it. I'm gonna try it out. Hi guys, so I literally just got back home from the neighboring shops here. I just wanted to show you the area. The area is so busy. I feel like because of the metro, there are so many people walking on the streets, but the funny thing is it's so quiet. Outside it's so busy. There's a lot of traffic noise and of course people moving up and down, but the apartment is super quiet. I can't hear anything from here. But anyway, yeah, I just got back in the apartment, and I want to try out this Coca-Cola. I don't know why it's green, but it says 0 sugar, so let's try it out.
Liquidity dry, I couldn't quit if I tried. It's been a ride through all the waves and the tides. Little emptiness inside from all the days with the guys. I know you see the pain in his eyes.
It's not on. It's not nice, obviously because it doesn't have sugar, but the taste is just bland, you know. I was just curious because of the color, like it's green. I mean, usually the Coca-Cola can would be red, but they will write that it's doesn't have sugar, it's 0 sugar. But this one is green. Why? I don't know. But I was just curious. Curiosity killed a cat. And it's really not nice. It's so bland. Anyway, I'm having these. These are so yummy, guys. It's my first time to have these. These are like Lay's. What flavor are they? It's written in Georgian, so I don't know what flavor it is, but from my own understanding, it's probably pork rib. So probably like barbecue flavor. It's really nice. I usually love Lay's, the lightly salted ones, but It's my first time to try these ones. They're really nice. So today I tried 2 different things. This I don't like much, but this is really yummy. I love it. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, and thank you again for 14,000 subscribers. We are on the road to 20,000 subscribers. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you on my next video. From me today, it's all love. Toodles, toodles.
Medias no he logrado encontrar mi otra mitad. El tiempo dirá, el tiempo dirá.